Alright guys, good morning. I'm in the market for a new smartphone. I change my phones every couple years or so, something between the $200 and $400 range. I don't need the latest and greatest specs or the biggest screen. So I thought, let me take a look at this new Linux smartphone, the Librem 5. Alright, so we look at the specs, 5.7-inch screen, 3 gigs of RAM, 32 gigabytes of storage, that's not a lot, 4,500 milliamp battery. These are like specs from like, I don't know, 5-10 years ago. But if the price is right, I thought, yeah, this is something I could probably live with. Again, I don't need the latest and greatest super smartphone. So it says here that the Librem 5 phone is a phone built on Pure OS, a fully free, ethical, and open source operating system that is not based on Android or iOS. Look, I'm a big fan of Linux, usually if it's reasonable. So the phone has kill switches to disconnect Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, all that stuff. It's something I would never use because I'm usually on Wi-Fi and I usually use Bluetooth. A user replaceable battery is nice, but I found today's smartphone batteries can last 2 or 3 years before they start to fade, but this is nice. Alright, here we have some privacy calling plans. I'm not sure what that means. Looks like it starts at $39 a month, unlimited talk, text, and 4 gigabytes of data. And then we look at the price. So it looks like you can get a Librem Mini server. The one I'm looking at, the latest one is the Librem 5 phone. And the price? Are you sitting down? Do you have some Tylenol? The price is $1,299. For one phone with specs that are 5 to 10 years old. I really don't know what to say, guys. You tell me. But it looks like I'll be buying another Motorola smartphone. I definitely need some coffee after reading this. Have a nice day. Take care.